And after 3 years of running Mak Tok, I've come to a decision. Hey you! This week has been manic. I have been handwriting all the Christmas messages to our loyal customers. Not only that, I've been working my socks off to make sure we can get your Christmas orders out in time. Now, it's all down to our delivery partners to make sure they can get your orders to you before Christmas. And if you're placing your order now, just know that they will only be processed on the 4th of January 2021. Anyways, I've made a big decision that I thought of sharing with you. I've been running Mak Tok for the past 3 years now, on my own and alongside Shang, who's doing this part-time. Last year, we were lucky enough to have Sarah joining our little venture and guide us in making Mak Tok into a promising business. I work on Mak Tok almost every day and I spend about 72 hours a week running the business. I've not taken any wage from the company, but instead have been putting in most of my savings into the business. It is bloody hard work, and regardless of how passionate one is, you'll still experience burnout. And after 3 years of running Mak Tok, I've come to a decision of paying myself for Christmas. It'll only be for this Christmas, and it's not a lot, it's only £200, but at least for the first time in 3 years, I won't need to borrow money from Shang to buy Christmas presents for my family. I'm over the moon and the stars, knowing that my hard work is paying off little by little. All this while, I haven't been taking a wage from Mak Tok because I would rather use that money to hire someone else and grow the business even further. Oh, and guess what? We will be expanding our team and have a new member in Mak Tok in the new year. This would mean I could pass on some of my responsibilities and focus on the things that I do best. Now you're probably wondering, like, how do I support myself all this time without getting a wage from Mak Tok? Well, a lot of you might not know this, but I have another business that I run on the side. In fact, that is my first business where I do some consulting work in the music education industry. Although I don't earn a lot from that business, it is enough to give me food on the table as well as providing me a roof over my head. This year, however, has been quite a challenge because of the pandemic. This business was put on hold because international travel is very restrictive and my clients are all based in Asia. I'm still pretty lucky though because of that tiny bit of saving I have left. And Shang even told me that not to worry about the rent or the groceries, so I think I'm really blessed to have awesome people around me. So how will I be spending my first wage? Well, I'm getting gifts made by or sold by small businesses, and I will show you what I bought on Christmas Day just so that I don't spoil the excitement and the surprise for my family. Now, I don't know what else I can say in this video, just that I'm very happy. This news to me is one of the most happiest news I've ever received in these 3 years. Well, there's a lot of happy news, but to be getting paid by my own company is quite an awesome feel. Even though it's just £200, but I appreciate it a lot. It's actually less than 1p every hour I work in this company, but I know one day I should be able to pay myself £300 at least in the next Christmas. I just want to know if you could share with me whether you paid yourself a wage when you first started your business, and also how did you spend your first salary that you earned? Tell me in the comment section below and let's share our experience. And until next vlog, I wish you a very Merry Christmas and a joyous New Year. Stay safe, keep well, and eat delicious Christmas food. Jumpa lagi!